Today, I'll show you a quick breakfast you can make with Lavash. Let's start by boiling 3 eggs. Then we'll keep going! For the filling, grab 1 cucumber and 2 tomatoes. Like Lavash because you can make anything out of it. Seriously. Sometimes you open the fridge and it feels like there's nothing there. But then you find Lavash and suddenly you have dinner. Lavash is probably one of the simplest foods. Flour, water, salt, and that's it. Take out the tomato centers so the filling stays nice and not watery. But that's exactly where its strength is. Long ago, it was baked in very hot ovens, called tandoors. The dough was stretched by hand, made almost transparent, and pressed onto the hot walls of the oven. It cooked in just minutes. No complicated recipes, no extra ingredients. Just bread. Cut the sausage into small pieces. And you know, there's something very right about that. Because these days, everything feels complicated. Recipes, life, expectations. But Lavash is simple. And somehow, things feel simpler with it too. I like that it doesn't set rules. You can make breakfast or a quick dinner. Something filling or something light. It adapts. Our eggs are ready. Let's peel and cut them. Sometimes it feels like the best meals aren't made from recipes, but from a mood. When you just take what you have and make something your own. And Lavash is perfect for that. Today, I'm making a very simple version. Filling, egg, and a quick fry. Nothing complicated. But these are the meals you actually remember. Not because they're complex, but because of how they feel. When home feels calm. When you have a moment to cook something for yourself. Even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes. Let's throw in some cheese. I like it low fat, so I'm adding mozzarella. Now, let's get to the filling. Give it a good mix. No need to hurry. We're cooking slowly today. Here, whisk a couple of eggs. And you know what else I like? Every time it turns out different. Let's add our filling. Time to add tomato sauce. Fold it like this. Gently. No need to rush. Repeat the same with all the sheets. One filling today, another tomorrow. Same lavash, but a completely new taste. Like the same thing, can feel different, depending on how you treat it. Maybe that's why I love simple food so much. They don't overwhelm you. They don't demand perfection. And they leave space for something real. Pour the egg into a bowl or any container you like. Dip the rolls in egg. Put them on a dry pan. Fry evenly on all sides. So, today, just lavash, filling, and a bit of time. And in the end, a warm, crispy, delicious dinner. Sometimes, that's more than enough. Do the same with the rest of the rolls. I love this recipe. Hit subscribe if you like recipes like this. Make sure to give it a try. You can switch up the filling. It's delicious, no matter what.